Dear students, let us go for 92nd question which has been left out in that video 2 marks questions. So the 92nd question is the perimeter of a rectangle is 40 centimeter. So perimeter of a rectangle is given as 40 centimeter. What is the perimeter of a rectangle formula? Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. So that is perimeter means 40 is equal to 2 into L plus B. So now for L plus B is equal to, you bring 2 to the denominator, L plus B is equal to 40 by 2. So L plus B is equal to 40 by 2 is how much? It is 20. So you call this as 1. Then what is the area of the rectangle is given? It is given as 96 square centimeter. So now area is equal to 96 centimeter square. Now area of a rectangle formula, length into breadth. What is length into breadth is equal to area, which is 96. Now so here what you have to do is that, so L is equal to 96 by B. You shift this B to denominator because L into B is equal to 96. L is equal to 96 by B. Substitute the value of L in this equation 1. So what is the equation 1 is given? L plus B is equal to 20. So L means 96 by B plus B is equal to 20. Now what is the denominator? That is the LCM. That is B. Here nothing is there means 1. 1 into 96 is 96. Then B into B become B square. So B square plus 96 by B is equal to 20. Now B square plus 96B 96 is equal to 20b. You multiply this b to 20. So now b square. So now you shift plus 20b this side. It will become minus 20b plus 96. If you multiply any two numbers, you have to get that is equal to 0. So if you multiply any two numbers, you have to get plus 96. If you add or subtract, you have to get minus 20. So multiplying any two numbers, you have to get 96, and adding two numbers, adding or subtracting two numbers, you have to get 20. Let us see which is minus 20. Let us see which are those two numbers. So to get 96, so which are those two numbers? One is 12, another one is 8. That is, to get minus here, so for both also you put minus. So minus into minus is plus. 12 8s are 96. Minus 12 minus 8. So what is minus 12 minus 8? So minus 12 minus 8 is minus 20. So now let us factorize this one. So if I factorize this one, so what I will get, what I have to factorize now? B square minus 20b plus 96. So if I factorize that one, b square minus 12b minus 8b minus plus 96 is equal to 0. Make these two one pair and these two. Take b as common, then b minus 12. Then minus 8 as common, b minus 12 is equal to 0. So b minus 12 is equal to 0, b is equal to 12. B minus 8 is equal to 0, b is equal to 8. Therefore, the base of a rectangle is either 12 or 8. So now let us find out the length. If b is equal to 12, b is equal to 12 centimeter, then length is equal to, length, what is length you see here? 96 by b. So b is, L is equal to 96 by b, that is equal to 96 by 12. 12 ones are 12 eights are. Therefore length is equal to, how much it will become? 8 centimeter. If base is 12, then length is 8. Suppose if the base is 8, if base is equal to 8 centimeter, then length is equal to 96 by b, that is equal to 96 by 8. 8 ones are 8 12s are. Therefore length is equal to 12 centimeter. If base is 12, length is 8. If base is 8, then length is 12. like this we have to calculate the length and breadth of the given rectangle. Let us go for 93rd question. Find how many terms of the AP 3 plus 6 plus 9 must be added to get the sum 165. So he has given the sum Sn as 165. Then the first term is 3. Common difference is 3. Now we have to find out how many terms. That is n is equal to question mark. What is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Sn? 165 is equal to n by 2 into 2a. A means 3 plus n minus 1 into d is 3. So 165 is equal to n by 2 into 2 3s is 6 plus 3 into n is 3n minus 3 1s are 3. So 165 is equal to n by 2 into 3n. So from 6 if you subtract 3 again it will be 3 only. So 3n plus 3. So now 165 is equal to n by 2. So now you multiply. You do one thing. So instead of this step, so let us write like this. So let us multiply this 2 to 165. 165 into 2. 165 into 2 is equal to n into 3n is 3n square plus n into 3 is 3n. So now 3n square plus 3n is equal to 165 2s, it will be 330. So now 3n square bring to standard form. 3n square plus 3n minus 330 is equal to 0. Divide all the terms by 3. 3n square by 3 is n square. 3n by 3 is n minus 3 1s are 3 1s are 0. So that is equal to 0. If you multiply any two number, you have to get minus 110. If you add or subtract, you have to get plus 1. Then which is that number? So one is 11, another one is 10. If you get plus 11, plus 1 here, for plus 11 you put plus and for 10 you put minus. Plus into minus is minus. 11 tens are 110. Then 11 minus 10 is equal to 1. Now let us factorize the given quadratic equation. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ quadratic equation ನಾವು ಈಗ factorize ಮಾಡೋಣ. If I factorize this one, n square plus n minus 110 is equal to 0. N square 1n can be written as 11n minus 10n minus 110 is equal to 0. So now if I factorize, make these two one group and these two one group. So n common among these two, n remaining is n plus 11 minus 10 is common, remaining is n plus 11 is equal to 0. What is the common to both? N plus 11. What is the remaining? N minus 10 is equal to 0. N plus 11 is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 11. N minus 10 is equal to 0. N is equal to 10. So n is a natural number. It should be always positive. Therefore, what is our answer? N is equal to 10. Therefore, how many terms are there? Therefore, there are 10 terms. So like this, we have to solve this question. Then coming to 94th question. Find AP whose third term is 16. So third term is given as 16. So let us write the third term now. So third term means A3. A3 is equal to 16. A3 can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 16. Then and its seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. So we have to find out the AP. The seventh term exceeds. Now let us write here seventh term exceeds. Exceeds means plus which term? Fifth term by 12. So you have to write like this. Seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. A7 can be written as A plus 6D is equal to A5 can be written as A plus 4D plus 12. Now AA get cancelled. 6D, you bring plus 4D this side, it become minus 4D which is equal to 12. 6D minus 4D is 2D. is equal to 12. D is equal to 2 ones are 2 6 are. So D is equal to 6. After getting the value of D as 6, find the value of A. A plus 2D is equal to 16. A plus 2 into what is D? 6 is equal to 16. Now A plus, so what is 2 6? It is 12 is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 plus 12 become minus 12. A is equal to 4. After getting the value of A and D, write the AP. So what are the terms of the AP? A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma dash dash. What is A? 4. What is A? 4 plus D is 6. What is A? 4 plus 2 into what is D? 6 comma dash dash. So 4 comma 4 plus 6 is 10 comma 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 4 is 16 comma dash dash. Therefore 4 comma 10 comma 16 are the terms of the given AP. So like this we have to find out the terms of the given AP. Now let us go for the 95th question. If secant 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. So for sec, the complementary angle is cosec. So now let us take the question. Secant 4a is equal to cosecant a minus 20 degree. So secant 4a can be written as cosecant 90 minus 4a, because cosecant 90 minus 4 theta is cosecant 90 minus theta is sec theta. Therefore in place of theta 4a is there, is equal to cosec a minus 20. Now cosec cancel. What is the remaining? 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20. You shift minus 4a that side and minus 20 this side. Minus 4a, if I shift that side, it will become plus 4a. So a plus 4a is equal to 90. Then minus 20 become plus 20. A plus 4a become 5a is equal to 110. A is equal to 110 divided by 5. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5 twos are. Therefore, A is equal to 22 degree. So like this, we have to find the value of A.